Have you ever noticed this? You open a video on your phone and it starts playing instantly. You send a message and within 1 second, it reaches your friend who may be sitting thousands of kilometers away. You search something on Google and the answer appears almost immediately. It almost feels like magic. But how does the internet travel so fast? How does information move across the world and reach your phone in just seconds? Is it coming from satellites, wires, or something else? Today in this video, we are going to understand how the internet reaches your phone in seconds in the simplest way possible. To understand this, we first need to know why the internet was created in the first place. In the 1960s, during the Cold War, the United States was worried about communication systems. At that time, communication depended on a single central system, and if that system was destroyed during a war, the entire communication network would collapse. Scientists wanted a system that could still work even if some parts were damaged. A scientist named Paul Baran suggested a new idea. Instead of sending information through one single path, information should be broken into small pieces and sent through multiple paths, so that even if one path is destroyed, the message can still reach its destination. Later, Leonard Kleinrock developed the idea of packet switching, which means breaking information into small packets and sending them separately. In 1969, the first network called ARPANET connected a few computers, and later scientists like Vint Cerf and Tim Berners-Lee helped build the modern internet and the World Wide Web that we use today. Now, let us understand how the internet actually travels. Imagine the internet as a giant road network spread across the whole planet. When you send a message or open a video, your phone breaks the information into tiny packets like small parcels and sends them through this global network to reach the destination. Most people think internet comes from satellites, but in reality, almost all internet travels through fiber optic cables laid under the ground and deep inside oceans. These cables connect countries, cities, and data centers across the world. Fiber optic cables are special because they send light instead of electricity. Inside these cables, there are very thin glass fibers, thinner than a human hair. When data is sent, it is converted into light signals. This light keeps bouncing inside the glass fiber and moves forward at extremely high speed. Because light travels very fast, the data also travels very fast. This is why a video stored in another country can reach your phone in just seconds. Huge amounts of data move every second through these underwater and underground fiber optic cables that silently connect the entire world. Now the next question is, how does this internet reach your phone without wires? Fiber optic cables bring internet to nearby mobile towers and Wi-Fi routers. These towers then send internet signals through radio waves. Radio waves are invisible waves that can travel through air and carry information. Just like a radio receives music signals, your phone receives internet signals from the tower. But how can radio waves play a video on your phone? The answer is simple. A video is actually just data made of numbers and signals. The tower sends this data in the form of radio waves, and your phone catches these waves using its antenna. Inside your phone, a small chip converts these radio waves back into digital data. Then the processor and screen convert this data into images and sound, and that is how you see the video playing on your phone. So the tower is not sending video directly. It is sending data, and your phone is converting that data into video and sound in real time. Whenever you search something or play a video, your request goes from your phone to the nearest tower, then through fiber optic cables to a data center where powerful computers called servers store information. The server finds the required video or website and sends the data back through the same network, and this entire process happens in milliseconds, which makes the internet feel instant. Today, technologies like 4G and 5G have made this process even faster. And in the future, scientists are working on faster fiber optics and satellite networks to provide internet in every corner of the world. The goal is to make internet faster, more reliable, and available to everyone on Earth. So the internet is not magic. It is a global system of fiber optic cables, towers, radio waves, and servers working together to send data at the speed of light and bring videos, messages, and information to your phone in seconds. Hopefully, now you understand how internet reaches your phone in seconds and why it was created in the first place. If you still have any doubt left, feel free to ask in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to Curiosity Compass for more simple and interesting explanations.